Hello everybody, how are you? How is everybody doing? Let's make a yummy, healthy cucumber salad today. This is the best salad you can have. You will be making it over and over, so I'm pretty sure you will like it. Just dice the cucumbers, bite-sized pieces, or you can make small thin slices. It's up to you. And use your favorite olives. Just slice them like that in circles, and then cut the onion in half and make slices. You can make them really thin, or you can, if you like the taste of onion a little crunchy, then add more. And we're going to need olive oil. We're going to need some fresh tomatoes. Just as I said before, slice them the way you want, really thin, bite-sized pieces, or whichever way you like to cut your tomatoes for your salad. You can use parsley or cilantro, coriander leaves if you want. It tastes really good in it. Some kosher salt according to your taste. Black pepper, or you can use pepper flakes if you want. You can add vinegar to it. It really gives it a nice kick. Add some water if you like, and just toss all these ingredients into a bowl and mix it really good and enjoy. If you want to add extra olive oil, extra salt, it's according to your taste. But this is a really good old-fashioned cucumber salad that you're going to love. So don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. If you like the video, do let me know. Thank you for watching. I will see you later.